You're scrolling through your phone, seeing all these new digital finance options popping up. Digital wallets, cryptocurrencies, decentralized apps, it's a whirlwind. And amongst all that, you might have stumbled upon Beam Wallet. But here's the burning question, the one that's probably got you clicking on this video: just how many people are actually using it? How many people have a Beam Wallet? It's a great question, and honestly, it's not always the easiest to answer. In the world of decentralized finance, data can be a bit, well, decentralized. We're not talking about a publicly traded company with quarterly reports here. We're diving into a space where user numbers can fluctuate and precise figures are often closely guarded. To understand the scale, we need to look at a few things. First, let's talk about what Beam Wallet is. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet designed to handle the Beam cryptocurrency. Privacy is its core feature, meaning transactions are shielded, making it harder to trace who's sending and receiving funds. That's a big deal for a lot of people concerned about their financial footprint. Now, because of that privacy focus, getting exact user numbers is challenging. Beam, like many privacy-centric projects, doesn't always release precise figures. We can't just pull up a public dashboard and see a live counter. However, we can look at a few indicators. We can consider the overall adoption of privacy coins in general. Are they gaining or losing traction? We know that privacy is a growing concern for many users, especially as digital surveillance and data breaches become more common. This suggests there's a market for Beam and similar wallets. We can also look at community engagement. How active is the Beam community? Are there frequent updates, discussions, and developments? A vibrant community usually indicates a healthy user base. You'll find forums, social media groups, and developer activity that can give you a sense of the project's vitality. Then, there's the broader context of decentralized finance. While it's still relatively niche compared to traditional finance, it's growing. The number of people using digital wallets and interacting with cryptocurrencies is increasing year over year. Beam Wallet is part of that ecosystem. We also have to consider the functionality. Beam Wallet offers features that appeal to a specific user base. It's not just about holding Beam, it's about doing so securely and privately. That's a strong selling point for those who prioritize anonymity. So, while I can't give you a precise number like 1.2 million users, we can say that Beam Wallet is part of a growing movement. It caters to a specific need in the market, and its community and development suggest a dedicated user base. Ultimately, the exact number isn't as important as understanding the value it provides. It's a tool for those who want to take control of their financial privacy in the digital age. And that's a powerful thing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.